Yo, 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 what's up, man? Hello, hustlers out there. I'm a independent artist, I'm a small record labels. Everybody who's out there, molweni and welcome. And then hopefully nizayibukela, niphinde niyimamelele video because this video is gonna help you as an independent artist and then also now as a record label owner. So, by the way, this is my radio station, Mzonzundo FM. This is an online radio station that I've been running from 2020 until this far. So we have a couple of years now, so we're industry. So you can go through now and listen to this radio, Mzonzundo FM, via a website here too. It's www.mzonzundofm.co.za or just Google search Mzonzundu FM or go to Play Store and download the app yethu yemzonzundo FM, your station of rest. And then if we artist or your record label, you wanna submit your music, feel free. Mawungena kwi-app yethu uzoyibona website. There is also a number yampa that 0724110884. So there is also an email address payana info@mzonzundofm.co.za. Right now, let's go ke ngoku kwindaba yokuthi wena as a record label wenza kanjani na ukuze umculo wakho uwazi ukukhula. So I'm using a platform called distrokid. There are other platforms, as you can see, abo TuneCore, there is also abo Dito, distrokid, and then there are a lot, guys. Abanye abantu they are using abo City Baby and njalo njalo, but I'm on a platform ebizwa distrokid. So this platform, it allows you to release ingoma zakho unlimitedly yearly. You choose a platform, then after you chose the platform lena, it gives you access yokuthi ukwazi urelease umculo wakho or noba ukangaphi. So you buy, there is what to call, kukhona le nto uba product yabo yokuqala is this amount. So I've bought my first one with $19, $19.99. So I then converted to Iran. It was 200 and something. Usually it's $30. Yeah. So what you can do now in order uba uzibeke ixesha lele right is to create account or go to umntu already osele under udistrokid ufune akuthumelele ilink yakhe, because by doing so uzofumana u7% discount. Imagine 7% discount. So let's say now if the platform is $30, let's say 400 and something in rand. So bazo minus out 7%. So you will end up paying with 300 and something, 380, 385 or 82. It will depend because the rand, it goes down, it goes up. So you'll never know what to go. So these, as you can see here, this is my music. This is my music there. So if we artist and we are not sure ungendaba yakho mastering, there is also a platform here that says master a track. So distrokid automatically master a song for you, but obviously you have to pay. And then now, if also we artist on a video, there is this upload a video platform. This is where you upload ama video wakho. It could be ama short clips or whatever clip oyenzayo or ama live clips. So you upload them here, then we distrokid, you know what, distributor kwabo Vivo and YouTube. So here, that's where you upload your music if we record label or we artist. So uploading ingoma zakho apha, and then there is also a split option. If we record label now ufuna ukurekhoda ama-artist wakho okanye ufuna uku-uploada ingoma zama-artist wakho, so now you can go ahead and upload ingoma zawo, and then nivumelana ngendaba yesplit ukuthi now right wena you already have i-platform ka-distrokid. So now wena uzofaka ingoma zethu, then usplite ama-royalties 50 or 80, I don't know. That is the deal enikwazi ukuyenza nina mangaba senenzile. So let's go here. If okay, let's go here. Yeah, let's go there. If you click there, here, so uzobona apha there is account, change your email, password, social logins, personal, there's personal, payment method, credit card, receipt, cover songs, refer a song, refer a friend and get $10. You understand? So let's move on. Now xa uya kwindawo yesibini, distrokid, mixer, distrovid, njalo 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 njalo. Indawo yesithathu, upload music, upload video, my music, daily split. So the daily starts and no split and upgrade, no bank. So let's go here on bank, because I want to show you guys that this is legit, and then you can actually believe with distrokid. So now here, if you look here, here, this is distrokid referral program. So I have no money here. It's $0 here, $0. We're gonna go through in details. This is $0. So let's go deeper. And then now there is this see breakdown by artist, and then you go here, see breakdown by songs, and then down here is see breakdown by service, and then here is total amount that I've already made on distrokid in the past 8 months. I've started with distrokid on April this year. Now this is November now, but bona babala 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. So this is $643 dollars that I've made. And then I've also withdraw lemali lena to my PayPal account. So you see there, 15 November, processed by our payment process of Dipaldi. There is the amount that I've withdrawn. So right now I only have $101. So $01, 7 rand, something like that, somewhere there, 7 rand. So I wanted to show you this, but there will be more videos to come where I'll be showing you detail by detail by detail on how I have actually managed to make this money, so that now you can make money via digital platforms. Peace out.